Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. If you've been around the channel for a while, you'll know the story behind Jimbo and his troubles with E31, a Mississippi trooper named Jason Young that chased down Jimbo for making a U-turn a great distance away from a checkpoint, allegedly suspecting him of DUI. Though a breath test showed all zeros, the trooper had Jimbo drive in front of him to return to the checkpoint and detained him for over an hour before impounding his truck and letting him go with a ticket for an unsafe lane change. But before fighting that ticket in court, Trooper Young was caught on his dash cam talking to another trooper about how he was going to find Jimbo, apparently to retaliate against him for posting the incident on a Facebook group he had created called Trooper Jason Young Watchdog Group, which at the time had just a few hundred members.
Go over here. I was like, and I had in my mind, I was like, I'm gonna see this motherfucker today because he posted something on his Facebook, and I saw that damn truck. It had one of those little bull bars in the front.
You ain't saw no damn Jimbo.
I swear, let me tell you, when I tell you I did. So I was facing.
Just after mentioning that he was looking for Jimbo, he happens to pass him, pulls him over, and issues him a second ticket. And as Jimbo drove away, he flipped off Trooper Young and was arrested for disorderly conduct. Jimbo's video sparked public outrage, and because of that, he started the Trooper Jason Young Watchdog Group, which now has over 24,000 members, and it's become a place where people can safely post their interactions with other troopers, which is where one of my recent videos featuring Trooper Parnell comes from.
If you don't mind, can you roll the windows down for me?
No, I'm good.
If you don't mind, can you roll the windows down for me, sir?
I can hear you.
Sir.
I can hear you.
All right. I need you to roll the windows down.
I can hear you.
Sir, I need you to roll the windows down for me.
All
right. As a matter of fact, pull up past that vehicle right there.
Sure.
All right. I'm giving you lawful commands. I understand.
Is that a law?
Sir, I'm giving you lawful commands. I need you to roll the windows down for me.
All right, here's my license.
I'm asking you nicely.
No, sir.
I'm asking you nicely.
No, sir.
Roll the windows down.
No, sir. You can check my license. You can check my insurance. I can be on my way. I can hear you fine.
Okay.
It's not a law for me to roll my window down, sir.
Okay. I'll be right back.
Jimbo's experience was documented over a 4-part series, and a 5th video is coming soon. And if you want to see those or the one featuring Trooper Purnell, check the links in the description. As for today's encounter, we're going back to Mississippi and featuring Trooper Purnell again. Back in January, a man named Timothy was driving down the highway. The video begins with dashcam footage of a vehicle obviously tailgating the car in front of him, and then shows his opinion to the driver behind him. In response, the vehicle with the dashcam pulls forward, inching closer and closer to Timothy's vehicle. The tailing vehicle got so close that Timothy couldn't see his headlights in his rearview mirror, and because of the extreme hazard that this posed to him and his son, Timothy activated his blinker and conducted a legal lane change. The tailing vehicle sped ahead, and as he passed Timothy's window, Timothy flipped him the bird again. This was the point that Timothy realized that it was Mississippi State Trooper Purnell, and as you may have expected, the trooper speeds ahead again and tailgates another vehicle in front of him, before maneuvering into the right lane behind Timothy and activating his emergency lights. Timothy then pulls over, and a couple minutes later, Trooper Purnell appears at his window.
Don't grab on steering wheel, brother! Don't grab on steering wheel! Don't grab on steering wheel! Hands up! Alright? We got stop this. You had the hand up the end in one hand. Sir? I know you can't be caught. We got stop this when we got out. I'll be right back. You got insurance? Insurance?
As Timothy looked for his insurance documents, Trooper Purnell began looking through the rear windows of his vehicle and eventually ordered him to roll his windows down.
I need to roll all these windows down also. I need to roll all the windows down, sir. I need to roll all these windows down, sir. I need all these down. Need to know all these windows down right now, sir. All of them. Thank you. I'll be right back.
Trooper Purnell returns to his cruiser and about 3 minutes later arrives back at Timothy's window.
How old is he? He has to be inside a boot seat. How old is he? I'll be right back.
Once again, Trooper Purnell returns to his cruiser, and when he comes back, he's got 3 citations for Timothy.
This is citation to kill, reckless driving, child restraint, and also no supervisory insurance. Then the question, tell them at the moment, if you don't mind, you can drive safe for me.
You need to drive safe, please. Run up on my ass,
Yes, sir.
You have no business running up on my ass. I couldn't even see your headlights in my mirror.
Yes, sir.
You know damn well.
Yes, sir. If you don't mind, you drive safe.
What
Yes, sir. Drive safe.
What is your name, man?
It's right on the back.
Timothy was issued citations for reckless driving, having no insurance card, and for having no restraint on his child. Now, his child had a seatbelt on, it just wasn't in a booster seat. Timothy went to court to fight the tickets, and at his first court appearance, he was able to get the insurance and child restraint dropped, but couldn't get the reckless driving ticket done because the brand new multi-million-dollar courtroom didn't have a way to play the dashcam video. So the judge ordered a continuance. But when he returned for his second appearance, there was a new judge, and the first judge didn't record his ruling, wiping away the child restraint ticket and the insurance ticket. Luckily, one of the clerks remembered the ruling, and the judge honored her word. Trooper Purnell then took the stand and testified that Timothy was driving erratically, swerving all over the road and nearly hit someone as they pulled over. And even though they had dash cam footage and they watched it in the courtroom, and it shows none of what Trooper Purnell swears happened, the judge found him guilty of reckless driving and ordered Timothy to pay a $238 fine. Timothy has the right to appeal, and he says he is considering it. And as far as a complaint goes, he filed one and never heard back. Until just very recently, a master sergeant with the Mississippi Highway Patrol Troop E finally called to respond to the complaint. He asked what happened and said he would watch the video and get back with him in a week. So, hopefully we'll know something soon. This is probably the 4th or 5th, maybe even the 6th video that we've seen come out of Jimbo's group. I'll link it below, so if you want to join it, you're welcome to do so. Of course, members from out of state are welcome as well. But I'm curious what you guys think. Did you see Timothy driving erratically all over the road? If Trooper Purnell were to testify that it happened prior to the starting of the dashcam video, would that be enough to sway you? Should his testimony be considered fact over the driver's testimony? I personally don't think so, but I have a multi-channel dash cam running every time I drive. If you don't have one, get one as soon as you possibly can. Dash cam footage would have exonerated Timothy and these false charges against him. As always, let me know what you think in the comments down below, and check out another video linked on screen.